Hello classmates, my name is Tina Gote and I work for the Department of Defense Education Activity at Dodea School here in Puerto Rico. I have worked as a teacher and educator for the past 5 years, most recently as a special education teacher for grades K through 6. There are bases worldwide, and my goal is to continue to work for the DoD with the seamless transition of educational services for children of our military families. I look forward to working through the course learning objectives as I pursue my master's in education leadership, where I can encompass the legal principles and the regulations that govern educational institutions. To answer the questions that were presented in the task, my experience in school law is limited, but I am eager to learn and gain a better understanding in the following areas. One, constitutional laws that impact our decisions as future education leaders. I know that school law is very important details that we have to be fluid in. I do have about 20 years of experience working in human resources, and laws come into play whenever you work with people and you work with the community. The second thing that I would like to do is improve my understanding of special education laws to ensure that we are providing a free and appropriate education and our services are in accordance to the standards. Also, I would like to develop my understanding of student rights and disciplinary procedures. Because I'm not an administrator, I have not really had to dive into this particular area. So it'd be interesting to learn more about it. For number 4, I would like to learn more about religion in schools, and are there any limits on praying at school or days or religious activities and expression that I need to be aware of to ensure that we are providing the appropriate levels of accommodations. Also for number 5, how to effectively manage contemporary issues involving technology. Social media takes on a life of its own, and I would really like to learn what are our limitations to ensure that we don't overstep. In addition, a new contemporary issue is artificial intelligence and academia. So it's important that we are striving to be our best and we use resources accordingly. Thank you so much. Fun fact, I think I kind of already shared, I'm in Puerto Rico and I get to travel. Thank you so much. Bye.